Meaning of deflection.
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 Deflection. Deflection refers to the bending or deviation of an object from its original path when subjected to an external force. This phenomenon can be observed in various contexts, such as mechanics, physics, and engineering. When a force is applied to an object, the object may be subject to deflection depending on its material properties and the magnitude and direction of the force. The amount of deflection can be measured through various methods and is an important consideration in designing structures that can withstand external forces without experiencing excessive deformation or failure.